Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I am going to be doing my absolute favorite brand का haul, that is Freakins का try on haul. This brand keeps on popping up on my Instagram feed, तो मैंने दोबारा इनसे shopping किया and oh boy, you're gonna be absolutely amazed and shocked as to how good the fitting is and the sizes are just absolutely right. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को.
Funky.
Let me briefly tell you why I love this brand. A lot of times जब हम international brand के कपड़े खरीदते हैं, especially bottom wear, चाहे वो jeans हो गए, pants हो गए, skirts हो गए, a lot of time it does not fit. We either have to go for a size up or down or alter it according to our sizes. That's where I love Freakins because they are an Indian in-house brand that caters their clothing items based on Indian body types. ठीक है, चाहे वो किसी भी तरह के इंडियन बॉडी टाइप्स क्यों ना हो, बिकॉज इट्स डाइवर्स एंड बहुत ही परफेक्टली साइजेस मैच अप हो जाता है एंड आई लव द फिटिंग. इट्स सो गुड. दे एक्चुअली आर केटरिंग टू आवर प्रॉब्लम्स एंड दैट्स वेयर आई लव फिटिंग. मुझे यकीन है कि आपको अपना परफेक्ट साइज एंड परफेक्ट फिट मिल ही जाएगा. आई हैव ऑल द आइटम्स राइट है. एक मैंने पहन भी रखा है एंड आई हैव गॉटन अ लॉट ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट एज टू वेयर डिड आई गेट दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉप फ्रॉम बिकॉज यू गाइस वेंट crazy asking me about this top. So wait till the end and continue watching this video. Let's start with the video. So the very first thing that I have ordered is this very beautiful wide leg denim. The moment I saw it, I was like, ye mujhe chahiye hi chahiye because it's wide leg, it's distressed, all the good stuff. When I go ahead and open this up, look at the color. So this is what the jeans looks like. आप देख ही पा रहे हो, the color is just so beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. Look at that vintagey retro vibe in it, but it looks so gorgeous and so good. I love anything that's vintage and retro. It's so gorgeous. So this is what the jeans looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो, it is a very beautiful wide leg fit wala denim that is just so gorgeous. Look at that. The back looks like this. सारे साइजेस प्राइस मैं आपको बता दूंगी, डू नॉट वरी. मैंने मंगवाया है इन द साइज 28 एंड इट लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग. द फिट इज जस्ट सो गुड. इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस इन इट ताकि मैं कंफर्टेबल के साथ साथ बहुत ज्यादा स्टाइलिश भी लगूं. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ स्टाइलिश लग रही हूं एंड आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल. गॉट दिस इन द साइज 28. They have some beautiful offers running on all the time on the website, which I absolutely love. And oh my god, I can't even tell you कि ये कितना ज्यादा comfortable है. The material is so soft. चाहे आप इसे 12 hours 24 hours तक भी क्यों ना पहनो, आप बहुत ज्यादा comfortable रहोगे because ये बहुत ज्यादा soft material का है. I have the same exact jeans, but वो tight हो चुका है. I got that in the size 26 I believe, and so I had to get the same jeans in yet another size because I love it so much. मैंने कोई style exchange भी नहीं करा because I just love how it looks on me. बस size मैंने up किया and I've reordered it and I just love how good it looks. So yeah, this is my first item which I absolutely love. I will highly recommend you guys to go ahead and check this out. Next up, I have something that's so gothic, so edgy, and so chic, and I am absolutely in love with this. So this right here is the beautiful gothic chain detailing top. This is what the beautiful top looks like. सारे terms आपके लिए आ जाएंगे. Guys, this top in itself is like a whole vibe and a whole mood. Getting such good items, good fabric, इतने खूबसूरत and stylish and so gorgeous वाले items for this less price is actually such a good and a great steal. And ये आपको मिल जाएगा from sizes extra small to large, and keep this in mind, this is not stretchable. So make sure to order the right sizes. Check the size chart before and then order your correct size. Oh my god, I've never tried denim that are so soft and so comfortable. Each and every item that I've got, all of them are denim fabric wale, and all of them are so good. They are 100% cotton wale stuff, and they are so comfortable. These are absolutely amazing. You can go ahead and add them into your wardrobe with your styles and you're gonna look absolutely amazing. My next item is something that's so princessy, so sophisticated, has such beautiful elegance onto it, and yet it's so cute. And this is what my third item looks like. ये बहुत ही beautiful सा एक midi maxi dress मैं बोल सकती हूँ, and it's so gorgeous. It has this very beautiful princessy cute too, bustier detailing that looks so gorgeous. ये dress का नाम ही princess है, तो आप इसे पहनते ही बहुत ज्यादा sophisticated, elegant and बहुत ज्यादा princessy vibe आप put out करोगे. So this is what the dress looks like. Let me show you. You're gonna absolutely fall in love with the dress right here. The moment I wore this and tried this on, I was like, this is what I needed in my life. So this is what the beautiful dress looks like. सामने की तरफ आपको इस तरीके का बस्टियर डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा, आप देख ही पा रहे हो, बहुत ही प्यारा है. एंड देन आपको बीच में इस तरीके का टाई डिटेलिंग भी मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, सामने की तरफ. इट हैज दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल corset kind of detailing right here around the mid waist bust kind of under boob kind of area, and then you get the whole dress right here. बहुत ही प्यारा है, आप देख ही पा रहे हो, अच्छा खासा इसका लेंथ है. And oh my god, it's so worth the price and worth the money. It's so beautiful. It has a great fit. You're gonna look absolutely gorgeous. And again, the fabric, it's so soft, so comfortable, and 100% cotton. And the color black, it's like a classic timeless piece. And lastly but not the least, I have my absolute favorite top, जिसको आपने बहुत ढेर सारा प्यार दिया. And this is what I have. It's such a beautiful denim bustier top. See, crop tops तो आप हर जगह देख रहे हो, but this particular top, ठीक है, this is also a crop top, but this particular top is like a statement piece, and it has this extra so gorgeousness, so elegance in it, extra vibe in it that will just make you look so gorgeous. It has this very beautiful sleeveless detailing that is so gorgeous, and you can pair this with any of your bottom wear. And this shade of blue is one of the most beautiful blue that I have ever worn. It's so beautiful, and every time I've seen someone wear this kind of blue, it just suits them and they look so good. And getting this stuff for this affordable price, it's such a steal, you guys. So there you go, this was my freaking score haul. I honestly love each and every piece from their collection. I just love how they look, how they fit, and the material is so comfortable, and they will keep me stylish as well. Plus they are so affordable too, and they are also giving them at such beautiful discounts as well. You can go ahead and check them out on their website, और इनका फ्रेग्रेंस का ऐप भी आता है, आप फ्रेग्रेंस का ऐप बिल्कुल ले सकते हो, डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, and you can check out the latest collection as well. And also let me know in the comments down below कि आपको कौन सा पीस सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आया. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.